No English books, no stress. Just listen and learn. This is easy. First, listen to the music. Then, we'll practice together in slow English. And finally, you will test yourself and you will see that you have learned everything from this lesson. There are more lessons like this. Keep watching. This is All Music Pod. Let's start.
Yesterday morning I was late. I quickly made my coffee. I added sugar to my cup. Then I ran to work. A funny taste. I took a big drink of my coffee. Oh no, it tasted terrible. I looked at my cup and laughed. I used salt instead of sugar. I made a new coffee. This time I checked carefully. I added sugar and took a sip. Finally, it tasted perfect. A funny memory. Later I told my friends the story. They said that happened to us too. We talked about our funny mistakes. It was a simple but happy day.
Let's practice together in slow English. Yesterday morning, I was late. I quickly made my coffee. Make, made, made. I made my coffee. I added sugar to my cup. I added sugar to my cup. Add, added, added. Right? I added in the past. Then I ran to work. I ran to work. Run, ran, run. In the past, I ran. Yesterday morning, I ran. Listen to this part of the song again and try to shadow. Let's go.
Yesterday morning I was late. I quickly made my coffee. I added sugar to my cup. Then I ran to work.
Episode 2. I took a big drink of my coffee. I took a big drink of my coffee. I drank my coffee. Drink, drank, drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. I drank my coffee. It tasted terrible. It tasted terrible. Terrible. I looked at my cup and laughed. Looked, laughed, looked, laughed in the past. I used salt instead of sugar. I used salt instead of sugar. Now listen to the music and try to shadow. Go ahead.
A funny taste. I took a big drink of my coffee. Oh no, it tasted terrible. I looked at my cup and laughed. I used salt instead of sugar.
Before going through the third episode, please write in the comments. Did you have the same experience? Yes, right? No, right. and like and subscribe for more lessons. Okay? The third episode. I made myself a new coffee. I made myself a new coffee. This time, I checked carefully. 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 Check, checked, checked. Check, checked, checked. I checked in the past. I added sugar. I added sugar and I took a sip. I took a sip like this. Yeah, it's good. Finally, it tasted perfect. Finally. Finally. Taste, tasted, tasted. Right? Listen.
I made a new coffee. This time I checked carefully. I added sugar and took a sip. Finally, it tasted perfect.
If you want to listen to the music again and again, join my Telegram channel. And if you want to practice more, this playlist is for you. Episode 4. Later, I told my friends the story. Later or later, I told my friends the story. Tell, told, told. They said, said, no, said. Say, said, said. That happened to us too. That happened to us too. We talked about our funny mistakes. Talk, talked, talked. Talked. We talked in the past. It was a simple but happy day. A simple but happy day. Listen.
Later, I told my friends the story. They said that happened to us too. We talked about our funny mistakes. It was a simple but happy day.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar to